Hi everyone, it's Donna from Shoot the Moon Creations. Thanks so much for choosing my how to install hardware on cabinet video. Today my husband's going to show us how to install this beautiful gold hardware on some of my furniture flips.
So I just put a little cross in the middle, very light, and then I go to the next corner and put a cross in the middle, very light, crossing the other one. So that is the center, right? And you take the T-square and you line it up with the center, right? And it's at 11.5. So we want 12.5, 13.5 because it's 2 inches on one side. So I put a little tick there. 11.5, 10.5, 9.5. Put a tick at 9.5. So that means the two holes are going to be 4 inches apart, which is what they are, right? Okay. Okay. Then all I do is put a little mark. Put another little mark. Then make sure it's straight up and down. It's one. Two. There's your holes. Now, what we do is find the proper screw. That one looks way too long. I bet you the other one's going to be too short. Oh no. You have tape here.
For the old holes when I filled them.
So you get the screws started before you. So you have that extra bit of play, just in case you're off by a smidgen. And you tighten them in. There you go.
Beautiful.
So these ones already have a hole from a previous knob, but our handles have two holes, so we're gonna put them a little bit past center, going toward the top, so they'll look like that. So I think maybe that the easiest way to do this one is to put the bottom one in first. I'm not going to tighten it too much, but enough so that it doesn't fall down. And then I'm going to try to line up by eye where this one should go. And that looks just about right there. So then work so well. I'm trying to make a small impression. There we go. So I get the impression, and now I'm going to make my little indentation in the middle of the impression. This is like the quick and dirty way. Then I'm going to drill my hole. Slide that up. And hopefully it lines up. And it did line up. Look at that. Screwed in pretty good. Tighten this one in as well. And it's easy as that.